Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Gelatin is incredibly important to the process, says the American Chemical Society, because it's what gives marshmallows that fluffy, elastic, squishy texture. Food scientists say that when all the ingredients are whipped together, gelatin essentially acts to bind liquid into the mixture.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Side effects and safety. Marshmallow is likely safe for most people when taken by mouth. In some people, it might cause low blood sugar levels. Marshmallow is possibly safe when applied directly to the skin.
Take our lead.
Are marshmallows made out of pig fat? No, most marshmallows are made out of gelatin, sugar, and a little bit of food coloring. Gelatin is an animal product, and some of it may be sourced from pigs, but it's not fat.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.